It's recording, so if you mess up, that's fine. Just we'll crop it.
Hi, I'm Donna Santoyo with John Hart Real Estate, and I am here with Gold Coast Financial, Mike Pandazos. I hope I didn't mess that up too bad. But Mike is our lender. He's our go-to guy for all of your needs. Mike, can you please tell me why you're our go-to guy and what makes you stand out?
Yeah, thanks for stopping by today, Donna. So again, I'm Mike Pandazos with Gold Coast Finance. Been practicing mortgage lending for almost 20 years now, Donna. We love what we do. We help all sorts of different buyers secure financing for their next home purchase. And home buyers can vary from somebody who's looking to purchase their first home, or maybe somebody who's looking to buy their next investment property. And so we have a product for everybody.
Now, as for products, can you tell me about your top 3 products?
Absolutely. So top 3 products I would say right now are our low down payment conventional mortgages, our FHA government insured mortgages, which right now it was just announced that they dropped the mortgage insurance premiums on those for our home buyers, which is great. We also do a lot of products for our self-employed borrowers who do not necessarily want to provide their tax returns. So these are very popular because now they're able to purchase a property even if they don't report a lot of income to Uncle Sam.
That's great. So what is the basic, more or less just an average guideline? What would be an interest on a loan like that?
So rule of thumb is the less documentation you show a bank, typically the rate will be a little bit on the higher range of the scale. Right now, the range for our alternative doc, low doc programs range from mid 6s to about 8% interest rate.
So if, we do have a lot of people, obviously, that want to keep their money on hand, and as you said, don't report that much to Uncle Sam. So this would be great. And what are some of the documents that you are hoping to at least, obtain from them to move forward in this process?
Great question. So there's a few different ways to qualify these self-employed borrowers. We can either go off of their bank deposits for their business and average that out and use that as a basis for qualification. Now, if they have a business where maybe it's cash-based and they don't really show too much deposits in their bank account, we do have another method. We can get a profit and loss statement prepared by their tax professional and work off of those numbers. And in some cases, if somebody doesn't even want to disclose their type of employment or income, we do have a true no-doc loan as well. Of course, the interest rate will be a little bit higher on those, but it's great because we don't have to disclose or verify any employment or any income for those products.
No, it sounds absolutely fabulous. So it actually gets our self-employed, clientele back into the marketplace again.
Absolutely, yeah, it's fantastic.
Now, on the second side note, I am very much pro VA. I love to support our military. Do you also help us with our VA clients?
We do, absolutely, yeah. We have a lot of great veterans that we help out with the VA loan products. And as a matter of fact, VA loans are probably the best types of loans out there, right? So you have 0% down payment in most cases. There is no mortgage insurance, and they typically have the lowest market rates out there. And if the veteran has any sort of disability status, the VA funding fee is waived. So, they can go into this property with the best possible terms on the mortgage with essentially 0 down payment.
That sounds absolutely amazing. Now, is there anything else I should ask of you, or I should know, or any tidbits that you would like to give out to our...
Yes, I think one of the most important tips I can provide to, especially for her first-time home buyer, is to get started early. Have that conversation early on, maybe 1 to 2 months before you actively start looking at a property. Just so we can kind of figure out their current situation, figure out what their objectives are, what their goals are, and what they're trying to achieve. So then we can map out a plan, a mortgage plan for them. You might have somebody who needs to work on their credit, but they have no idea what to do. You might have somebody that might need to save up a little bit more money. Maybe somebody who needs to secure a co-borrower to help them purchase a property. They're probably gonna have a lot of questions. And guess what? It doesn't cost anything. Call us up or meet with us in person, or we could do a Zoom call and start that process sooner than later.
Now, normally on a typical FHA loan, VA loan, what would be a normal credit score you would look for to better assist them?
So FHA, as a matter of fact, we just recently dropped our minimum credit score requirement for FHA. There's different tiers. If somebody's looking to do the minimum down payment, we can go as low as 580 credit score. Now, if somebody has a credit score as low as 500, we can still potentially approve them with a higher down payment of 10%. Yeah. Now for VA, typically we'll go down to 620 credit score. In some cases, we can entertain even lower than 620 credit score. And you know, of course, the interest rates will slightly change in those situations.
So that's wonderful. So guys, if you do have questions, the consult is free. We're here to walk you through it from your credit, your down payment, savings, and we're here to get you in a home. So give us a call, reach out to us. Mike, you want to give them your information?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can always reach me by email. It's mike@goldencoastfinance.com. You can reach us by phone, 818-925-8277. Guys, we're on 7 days a week. So it's a Saturday, Sunday. If you're out there looking at properties, you have a quick question, feel free to give us a call. You can also find us on social media. On Instagram, it's Mortgage Mike, and on Facebook, it's Mike Pandazos.
All right, well, thank you, Mike. You've been absolutely fabulous, and thanks for all the great information.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by. You're amazing.
Thank you.
Perfect.
There we go.
Awesome.